So OLL is a one step where you're going to have to learn like 57 algorithms, but instead of doing that, we are going to have a easier two-look OLL that only lets you know 10 algorithms. So let's get started. So first up, we're going to have the line case. So think about these 4 edge pieces, and let's ignore the corners, guys. So we're going to have to get these 2 edges oriented. So we're going to do an algorithm. So it's going to be, we're going to turn the front clockwise, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And now we have the cross. Here's another case you can get, is you can get an L shape. So where we're going to hold it is we're going to hold it like this. It's going to be similar to the last algorithm, but in this case, the front moves will be wide moves. So turn the front double layer, wide moves, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. See, now we have the cross. Here's one last case you can get. So we have a dot. So we're going to do only one big algorithm. So I'm going to actually divide this algorithm into 2 parts because it's going to be extremely long. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the front clockwise like this. R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then we do the wide ones. Turn the front wide. R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And so there we go. We have a cross. So we're going to say we have a cross and we have one corner that is paired. So when we put this to the left, we need the yellow to face us. So we turn it over here and now yellow is facing us. So we're going to do this algorithm. So it's R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Here's another case we can get. So we have yellow facing us this way, no yellow facing this way, no yellow facing this way. So that means we have another case. So we can do the same algorithm, but this time we're going to do it on the left side. So I'm not going to show you that. So instead, we're going to put the corner on the back. So this is our algorithm. So it's R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So we're almost done. Here's another case we can get, is where you have all your edges oriented and you have 2 double headlights. So we're gonna put one set of headlights in the front and one set of headlights in the back. So this is the algorithm. So it's R, U, 2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. Here's another case we can get, is we have double headlights but not on the back. So we're going to put our headlights on the front, and this is the algorithm. So it's R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R. So we're almost done with OLL. Here's another case. So we have double headlights right here and 2 that are facing back. So what we're going to do, we're going to do this. Yes, so it's R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And now we have one facing up. We're going to put that in the back. So it's R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. Here's another case we can get. We have 2 yellow facing up and 2 that are facing opposite. So we're going to do the same thing. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And now we're going to put the one facing up corner in the back because yellow is facing on the left side, not the right side. So R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. Here's another case. So we have these 2 edges. We have these 2 pieces, and so we're going to put this one facing us. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now we're going to put the one corner facing the back because yellow is facing this way. So R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So that's it. That's about it for this 2-look OLL step. And so now we can, so here is a reason called permutation of the last layer, which is going to be in the next video. So it's going to be one algorithm like this. And there we go.